Hi, I'm Marty Nemko. This little article is called Super Simple and Yummy Recipes. Each of these sort of recipes optimize speed, cost, taste, and health. Of course, taste varies, but I've included only items that have broad appeal. Of course, there may be times you want something more elaborate or calorific, but you might find some of these worth trying. 3 items possible for breakfast. Plain yogurt with fresh fruit. Optional, add sugar. Oatmeal and brown sugar. Optional, add walnuts, shredded coconut, and or dried cranberries. Scrambled eggs. Top with garlic salt. Optional, salsa. Couple of lunch ideas. Turkey slices or canned tuna and mayo. Have it as a sandwich, a salad, or solo. Optional, tomato, lettuce, pickle. Dessert. Fruit, yogurt, and or a piece of chocolate. Snack. Nuts. Popcorn. Carrot sticks, optional, salsa, and hummus, or hummus. Dinner, broiled or even microwaved beef or chicken, seasoned to taste. Microwaved broccoli, seasoned to taste. Bread, which is faster to prepare than carbs such as potatoes or pasta. And at a restaurant, Asian works well. For example, Thai, Indian, Chinese, maybe Japanese. They tend to be relatively healthy, fast, and maybe except for Japanese, inexpensive. In any event, that's called Super Simple and Yummy Recipes. As usual, I welcome your thumbs up and accept your thumbs down. I always look forward to your comments, and especially like if you hit the share button below. Share on your social media so that my efforts can have broader impact. And I am flattered if you choose to subscribe to my channel. And certainly would welcome you checking out any of my 32 books. Probably the one most relevant to this is How to Do Life. But all 32 are on Amazon. Just go there and search on my name, Marty Nemko, Nemko, and you will find more than you can stomach. In any event, I do thank you for watching. I am Marty Nemko.